Hey guys, NV here, and in this video I want to show you how to create your own custom shape. Now to do this, I'm going to go straight into Photoshop by clicking this PS icon and going to File and Open. And let's select my first document because we just need a document to work on here. And tap the U key on the keyboard and we've got our shape right here. And we can go up to this color box here, this fill layer, this fill box. Click on the color box here and let's just pick any color. It doesn't really even matter. I'm just going to select a white. Okay. And I'm going to hold the shift key on the keyboard, click and drag out like so. And I'm going to keep the properties default and staying on this shape. And we're going to change the shape to a circle, which would be the ellipse tool, and hold the shift key, tap the U key 2 times. 1, 2. And you can also hold and click and hold and select the ellipse tool here. Okay. I'm just going to start calling it circle because that's what most people would call it. And I'm going to hold the shift key. And if you notice the cursor, how it has a plus sign every time I touch the shift key. So if I press the shift key, there's the plus sign. That means we're going to be adding to this shape. So hold the shift key, click and drag out like so. And release. And again, we're going to keep everything default. With this layer still selected, to the shape still selected, we're going to go ahead and hold Control, Shift, and click and drag out to about right here. And we're going to go up to Path Operations up here at the top, this little box. Click on that and select Subtract Front Shape, just like so. And let's hold Control and click somewhere on the document. And there's our shape. It may not be a wow factor, but you get a basic knowledge of how this is working. Hold Control, click the shape one more time. And let's select a circle and go up to Path Operation again and say Merge Shape Components. We could also, if we deselected it, we can also click, holding Control key and dragging out like so. And that will select everything. We can go back up to Path Operations, go all the way down to Merge Shape Components. And now our shape has pretty much become our custom shape, okay? Now we can save our shape by right-clicking and saying Define Custom Shape, or we can go to Edit, and down here, Define Custom Shape. And let's give it a name. Just name it My First Shape and click OK. And by the way, this needs to be actually selected in order to save it. Okay, you see that? It's grayed out. So again, you would have to be on the shape tool, which you, with the U key, hold Control and click until it's selected, highlighted here. Then you could right click and then shape and change it, and save it. And let's go ahead and delete this shape. I'm going to delete it by tapping the delete key on the keyboard. And if you notice, we're still in the ellipse tool here, the circle icon. Hold shift key and tap the U key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And this is our custom shape icon right here. You can click and hold and select it, or any of these shapes for that matter. And we're going to select this custom shape. Go up to this box here, which has your shapes stored in. And right here is your shape. I'm going to click up here to close that. And hold shift, click and drag it out. And there you go, your first custom shape. Since we've created our custom shape, let's save our document. Okay, let's go up to File, Save As, save on your computer, and let's name it My First Shape. Just like so. Wow, let me respell that here. There you go. And click Save and OK. And that's it, guys. And I'm going to be going into this more in detail and eventually create our own really cool shape. I'm just wanting to give you the basic idea of how it works. And on that note, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up, and I will see you guys in another video.